Hey guys, what's up? I wanted to tell you about my most favorite toothpaste. It's a whitening toothpaste. It's Colgate Optic White. I love having a toothpaste that whitens. I know that it's not the best for sensitive teeth, which mine are pretty sensitive, but I just feel like it works so well, and people always tell me that my teeth are really white and they ask me what I use and stuff like that. So I know that it's definitely doing a good job. So Colgate Optic White, I actually heard from my cousin. He has like the whitest teeth ever, and I'm always like, wow, like he's just got the best teeth. I wonder if he uses bleach or whatever. He said he never bleached them. He uses Colgate Optic White. So he uses this, and then he uses Colgate Optic White mouthwash after to kind of follow up with it. So it's for whiter teeth in 1 week. It goes beyond surface stain removal to deeply whiten. This is a sparkling white. It's enamel safe, gluten free. Then got directions. Adults and children 2 years of age and older. Brush teeth thoroughly, preferably after each meal or at least twice a day, or as directed by a dentist or a physician. Children 2 to 6 years use only a pea-sized amount and supervise child's brushing and rinsing to minimize swallowing. Children under 2 years, ask a dentist or physician. Inactive ingredients: propylene glycol, calcium pyrophosphate, glycerin, silica flavor, sodium lauryl sulfate, hydrogen peroxide, sucralose, which is like a sugar sweetener, and DHT. So active ingredient is sodium monofluorophosphate, 0.76%, and that is for anti-cavity purposes. And then of course warnings: just keep out of reach of children under 6 years of age. If more than used for brushing is accidentally swallowed, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. So I feel like this lasts me and my husband are the only ones using it right now, or the only ones in the house, but I would say this tube will probably last us like a good, I don't know, I like 3 weeks, but I brush my teeth like 3 times a day, so I'm kind of crazy with that. I like never want to have bad breath. I love the feeling of like a minty, fresh toothpaste. And that's another thing. I've used other toothpaste in the past, and they don't give you that minty freshness. Like, I'm trying to think. Like, I've used like Pepsodent, and it just like doesn't make I like when my mouth feels extremely, extremely minty. I don't like any toothpaste that are like bubblegum or cinnamon flavored. No, it has to be mint, and I have to feel like my mouth is clean after. Like, my dentist would always give me Sensodyne, which is really great for your teeth because it's good for sensitive skin and sensitivity, stuff like that, but it doesn't make your mouth feel fresh after using it, at least not in my opinion. That's why I'm really not a fan, and that's why I love this so much. Like, your mouth just, and not just right after, but like for an extended period of time, your mouth will feel just clean and fresh. So I don't know what this thing is on here. It's covering, looks like it's covering this up. This might just, I think this is like the sensor. Bought it at the store. You can get this online too. Okay. Optic White toothpaste is clinically proven to whiten teeth with peroxide. It goes beyond surface stains, unlike ordinary toothpaste, and whiter teeth start in 1 week. For best results, use as directed for 6 weeks. Brush regularly with Colgate Optic White toothpaste and Colgate 360 Optic White toothbrush, and rinse with Colgate Optic White mouthwash for a whiter smile. And that's what my cousin did, and I think that's why his teeth are so great looking. So, Smart Label, what's that for? Oh, I guess it's just, visit Smartly. It's a website, smartlabelcolgate.com, for ingredient information. My husband drives me crazy because he doesn't, you're supposed to push from the bottom and he pushes from the top. I hate that. Okay. I push from the bottom and then I fold it over. I used to have one of those like clips that, you know, like one of those toothpaste clips. It helps you like squeeze. This is 6.3 ounces. These are the ingredients listed on the back as well. Purpose: anti-cavity. Some easy to pull out top. Nice and white. just like your teeth are going to be after you use it. So that's Colgate Optic White. I hope you guys try it out, love it, and I hope you found the video useful.